Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to answer the question: how do you know if your REALME Buds T200 Lite are charging? So you have two options how to check it for the charging case and only one to check it for the earbuds. So the first option for the charging case is to connect charging case to the power. At the bottom we have USB-C port, connect USB-C cable to this port, and if you see the LED light, meaning that your charging case is charging. The second option is to use REALME Link application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see them at the device list, tap at your earbuds. Now you can put your earbuds to the charging case, and now we have battery level for the charging case. Connect charging case to the power, and right here we have this lightning bolt, meaning that your charging case are charging. Now to check it for the earbuds, you need to check how much battery you have right now, then put it to the charging case and check after, let's say, 10 minutes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!